Whoop.
Whoop. All the way to the top. That's 1 cup. Stop for a second. Pick it up and give it a little tap on the bench. That's it. That'll do. Careful.
Okay, Mum.
Yep, tip it in. Good work. Now you need to crack in the 2 eggs. Carefully crack the 2 eggs in.
Okay, Mum.
Not in there, no, they're going straight into that.
Up there.
Yep, into there. Don't get the shell in there.
Oh, what's the egg?
Yeah.
Oh, egg. Yeah, okay.
And crack, yep. Crack it in there. Don't get the shell in there. Give it a good whack.
Yeah.
That's not a good whack. Give it a good whack.
Oh, coming.
It's coming in.
Mm.
That's it. Now the other one. Alright, give that one a good crack.
Oh.
It's a big cake.
Yeah, okay. Oh, we're coming.
It's coming. Give it a good whack, Ryan. Is it coming? Rightio, let's give that a little mix.
No, what? No.
Put the lid on and give it a little
No.
mix.
I don't see. No.
You got to have a try. If it's too loud, then I'll do it.
Mm.
Push it on.
Oh, do that, Mum.
Yep, stop it now.
Well, what is that, Mum?
Yeah, I told you. It's just like the milkshake maker.
What is it doing milkshake, Mum?
Yeah, you can make big giant milkshakes in there. Alright, you got to fill this one up and this one up with flour.
Mum.
Don't spill it. Tip it kind of sideways a bit.
Oh.
Whoop. Carefully.
Oh, is that, Mum?
Yeah, you're getting a bit tricky now. Good job.
Oh, what is that, Mum?
Yeah.
Put it back on.
You got to push it on. It's a bit tricky, that one. Okay, now you can turn it on. Yeah. Turn it up to 2 and see what that does. Yeah, it's on. Again.
Which one?
Turn it up to 2.
2, right.
Is that 2? Very slow. Are we killing it?
No.
Doesn't sound very good, does it? Put your milk in the green cup.
Look at milk.
Yep, that's 1 cup. Carefully, don't spill it. All the way to the top.
Look at the top.
Yep. Up
Go.
to the top. Yep, keep going. Keep going. It's not to the top. That's it. Pretty good. All right, carefully tip that one in. That one's... Can you get it? Maybe use... Good job. All right. Mix it up a little bit in there first. Wait a second. Get the spoon and mix it a little bit first. Number 2 and let it mix for a bit. Is that 2?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Doesn't sound like 2.
Yeah,
Oh, what's going on here? What the? A bit better.
Oh, look at that, Mum.
Yeah.
Oh, let's do the milkshakes.
No, but yeah, well, we're making cake in it. Because we can. All right, this one next. Turn it off. Put 2 of them in there.
What?
1.
Look at that.
Yep. Not too much.
Yeah,
No, that's too much. Take some off. Do it again, just a little bit. Yeah, that's better. 2. All right. And that's a 1/2 cup. Shake. That's it. Hold your cup with your hand.
Oh.
That's it. Fill it up. Maybe, whoops, stop.
Oh, look at that.
Goodness me. What's going on here? Hang on. I don't reckon you're going to like it, but knock yourself out. Have a taste. Quick, get a drink. Sorry, mate. I had to let you do it. It's cocoa. It only looks like chocolate.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, Mum.
Yeah, now you got cocoa powder all over your Fanta. Look at your face. Was that funny?
Oh, my God.
Did I trick you? Wipe here, look, your cheek. No, other one. Yeah, wipe it more. And your hand, you need to wash it.
Oh, Mum.
I tricked you.
Oh, stop that.
Are you clean yet?
No.
Are you good to go? Here, you've still got chocolate on your face. Come here. Let me wipe this bit. Was that nice?
No.
Do you want some more?
No.
All right, tip it in. Good job. Yep, good work. And I think that's it. Put the lid on. We're on to 2. Mix them.
That on?
Yeah, it's on. We might need to give it a little stir again. We're on.
Is that?
No, not yet. Let's leave it for a bit. We'll leave it for a bit and come back.
How?
Suddenly got loud. Might have been a bit jammed before with the butter. Yeah. Whoa. It's getting fast now.
Oh my God, don't put up on my house.
What? You reckon it's going to blow up the house? All right, you ready? Tip some into this one and some into this one.
In the cake.
Yeah, not quite all the way to the top.
Cake.
Keep going, a little bit more. That'll do. Stop. Whoops. Now tip some in that one. You tip it in there. Might need a spoon.
No.
Oh, watch out, you're going to slop it.
No, don't do that.
All right, hang on, you're going to get a spoon.
Yeah.
All right, get a spoon. You scoop it in, I'll hold it. Good work. Yeah, good work. Good job. And the other one. Good job. All right, let's give it a little mix now. Turn it on.
No.
Press the button. You can do it. We're in.
Wait, what's that?
It's the butter. Okay, that's better. Yep, now the green one. Whoopsie daisy.
Oh, why not?
That's all right. That's it. Whoops. Careful. That's it. A little bit more. Yep. All right, that'll do. Good job. Good work, mate. Okay, put the lid on. Oh. 2 of them in. 1. Not too big, not too big. That's too big. Okay. 2. All right, now 1 of these of the cocoa powder. And don't eat it.
Don't eat it. Yeah.
Give it a little shake. Up to the top. Yep. Turn it on.
Rồi, đến đây.
Turn it on. Tip it into there, and then we just got to put them in the oven.
Oven.
Yep. Hold that with your other hand, just in case.
Alright.
What? Keep tipping.
Oh.
That's it. Good work.
Whoa, look at that, Mum.
Yep, put that on there. Smush it around just lightly. You've got to be very gentle. Okay, careful, you're knocking this off. Okay, get some more. And put it on this bit.
Oh, Mum, look at that.
Goodness me.
There.
You can have a taste. Just put your finger in. Just a little bit on your finger.
No.
Oh, goodness me. No.
Mmm.
It's so good, isn't it?
Good.
Yeah, rightio. All right, come on. Lucky we're the only ones eating this cake. Big scoop. Yep, don't break the cake though.
Oh.
That's it. Good work.
Oh, we'll do it now.
No, don't eat any more. Get another big scoop. You can have what's left. Yep, put some down on the side. And over on this bit. And hold this bit here so you don't knock it off. Just softly. Very softly. Yeah.
Oh, eat it now?
No, you can't eat it now.
No.
No. Look, we want it to cover all the train with blue. Got to do all the sides and this side. That's it. Don't worry about doing that. Just slap it on there, mate.
Oh, stop it.
You stop it. That's it. Push this bit down here. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
No, stop eating. No.
No.
You can have the bowl when we're finished, I promise. There will be plenty left. That's it. Smush it all around. Watch that bit because it's loose. Yeah. Flatten it out. What about this? It's a big chunk here. Oops. Smush this bit down. Put some down the back there.
Oh, yeah.
No, don't you eat it.
No.
Yeah, get some more mixture. Put some more on there.
Looks good.
It's going to look beautiful. Good work, buddy. Look at that. Do we need to turn it round now?
Yeah. Is it eating now?
How's it looking? Oh, my goodness.
Mum, is it eating now?
No, don't eat it now. Wait till we're finished. Put some on that side. And then we've got to put all this stuff on there, Ryan. Decorate it. Look, it's got some Kit Kats.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we've got to put Kit Kats as the train track.
No.
You can still eat them. That looks really good, Ryan. Good work, mate. Oh.
You want it
No.
now?
No.
No.
That's it. Good work, mate. Yeah, hang on, I'll turn it round for you.
Not eating now.
No, don't eat it.
Nope.
Goodness. What's going on here, Ryan? Get out of it. Yeah, that's going to go on the front.
Alright.
What? Hang on. No, not yet. Wait a second. Give it a bit, roll it a little bit more and give it a push. We need a really big bit.
Oh.
That's better. Careful. Look at your blue mouth.
What the hell?
It took lots of food colouring to make that blue, didn't it?
Alright.
He's starting to look like Thomas now. Put that bit on here. Carefully.
Come on.
Yep. That way, that's it. Whoop, you got to squish it on. Put him there and give him a little squish. Just a little squish, yep. Push that bottom bit in there, Ryan. Down there. Yep. All right, good work. And that is whistle. Put his whistle on.
Not bad.
Yep. Good job. Yep, number 1 on the side there.
Thomas did have one.
Thomas is number 1, that's right. And then you got to turn it around and put a number 1 on this. You put his face on.
Hold on.
Do his eyes and nose first.
Hold on.
You can't see. Okay, yes you can.
Oh.
Whoops, here, you want me to squish it?
No. Oh, hold on.
You put his eyes on and his nose and his mouth. That's his mouth that goes down here.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, his nose.
Yeah.
Hang on, move it down a bit because you got to put the eyes in there. There you go. Put his eyes on.
Okay.
We should have got some googly eyes, shouldn't we?
Okay.
Oh, actually, I think there's eyes in the cupboard, Ryan. There's actual eyes in the cupboard. No, you like them ones? Okay. It actually looks like Thomas. We did well, mate.
Look at that, Mum.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool, doesn't he?
Thomas.
Oh, that's the wheels for this side. Here, turn it round. 1, 2, 3.
Over there.
Yep, turn it round so you can see the chocolate. Yeah.
Ah.
Just you gotta squish them a little bit. Squish it. Yep. Put the next one on. 1, 2, 3 wheels. So probably back there a bit. Put one there. That's it. Choo. I think he's done, is he? Thomas's train track. That's it. How good does that look? You did a good job. Let's have a look. Where's your train? We'll see if they match. And does he match? Do they look the same? I think they do. Look how good he looks. Good job. Do you want to make another cake?
Yeah.
You do? Well, I'm out. Good job, mate. We'll eat some tomorrow.
No, Joe, not tomorrow.
Put your candles in. Where are you going to put them?
I turned in my bed early.
Yeah, we're going to go to BCR, see your friend Riley. Happy not your birthday.
Mum.
Blow them out.
Oh.
Beautiful. Yay. Now you can cut it and take some to BCR. The candles out. Where are you going to cut him?
That's bad.
You're going to cut Thomas. Oh my goodness. You're going to cut his head off, are you?
What?
Oh no. For Thomas.
What did I do there?
Yeah, you can cut him there. Cut him wherever you want, mate. Holy dooly.
Well,
Right, are you going to have a taste? What? Have a taste. Taste that bit. Is it good? Bit of cake before you go to BCR. I'm sure they'll appreciate that. You're going to have a blue mouth because there's so much food colouring in there. Oh my goodness. Righty, you better cut a bit. Are you going to take a bit to BCR in your lunch?
No, I'm going to touch that.
Yeah. All right. Does it get a thumbs up? Does our cake get a thumbs up? Good job, mate. Taking the face of Thomas to BCR for lunch.